Hi there, this is Bob Burridge, and I'm here to tell you about a special Thursday night, all of April, date night with Bob. But we get to paint the live model. Haven't you always wanted to paint the live model, the undraped and costumed model for 2 hours? Think of it, every Thursday night. I get to paint, you get to paint, we get to see the same poses. This is Pash, our professional model. She's been with me for so many years. And it's 2 hours each time. You don't have to worry about your drawing skills. It's all about painting the professional model. Okay? And I did all of these paintings that you see behind me with the brush. There's no drawing, so don't worry about that part. I'm going to help you through all of that. I hope to paint and Zoom with you every Thursday night in April with Date Night with Bob's.